news and interest visit not showing in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and you will find news and interest in Windows 10 and visit in Windows 11. Go to settings. The first workaround is go to Windows Update and check for updates, and if any updates available, download and install it. Sometimes outdated Windows OS may be a cause of news and interest visit not showing in Windows 10 and 11. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type Windows security, open Windows security in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and here choose virus and threat protection. Choose a scan options and choose full scan. Full scan your system to fix this issue. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type gpedit.msc. To open local group policy editor, we will start news and interest through group policy editor, and in Windows 11 it is known as widget. So go to computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, and here in Windows 11 you should enable widget option, and in Windows 10 you will find news and interest. Apply double click on it and choose the option enabled. Press apply and then OK to save the changes. Also ensure that in Windows settings the feature is in enabled mode. Go to Windows settings, go to personalization, here go to taskbar, and make sure that in Windows 11 it is known as widget, and in Windows 10 it is known as news.